The Ankara Metro is the rapid transit system serving Ankara, the capital of Turkey. At present, Ankara's rapid transit system consists of two metro lines, the Vatican Metro Su M1 and the new Cassioran Metro Su M4 line opened in 2017, along with the light rail Ankara line. The Ankara, the M1 and M4 lines together transported 104.1 million passengers in 2014. That corresponds to a ridership of approximately 289,155 per day. In February 2019, all the lines that used to run N1, M2 and M3 were merged to create one line M1. The Kizilay to Atatürk Cultural Center link of M4 is not yet open and remains under construction. Also, an additional line approximately 25 kilometers long between Kuyubashi and Esenboga International Airport is in the planning stages and would make up the next phase of expansion of the metro. The Ankara was constructed by a consortium headed by Siemens over a period of 4 years, from 1992 to 1996. It opened on 20th of August 1996. The line runs between Asti and Dikimevi, covering a distance of 8.53 kilometers, of which 6.68 kilometers is through tunnels. The line has 11 stations. The Ankara Metro has been operating since 29th of December 1997, with the opening of its first full metro line M1 traveling between Kizilay, the city center, and Batikent. The M2 line operating from Kizilay, the city center, to Koru opened on 12th of February 2014. The M3 line, which serves almost as an extension of the M1 line operating from the Vatican to Torekent, opened a month later on the 13th of March 2014. For the first few years of operations on lines M2 and M3, both of them run separately from the M1 line. Since early 2019, the three lines are operated as one continuous service, M1 between Torekent and Koru. The M4 line operating from Atatürk Cultural Center to Gazino opened 5th of January 2017. In 2019, Tourist Defense from Aselsan began traction and control upgrades on the older Bombardier cars. The track width on both subway lines is 1,435 mm normal gauge. Vehicles of the Canadian type Hawker H6 run on the M1. The vehicles were manufactured by Bombardier until the early 1990s. The trains for the new subway lines under construction are being built by CRRC in China. Ankara vehicles on the Ankara line are Siemens, Atrans, Ansaldo Breda SPA, Ansaldo Breda M1, M2 and M3 trains, which have a top speed of 80 km per hour. Operational speed is 38 km per hour and are equipped with regenerative braking. The system is served by 11 three-car train sets. Each train car is 29 meters long with 60 seats and can transport a maximum of 308 passengers. Thus, each three-car train set is approximately 90 meters long and can transport 925 passengers per train. The current passenger volume capacity on the Ankara line is 27,000 passengers per hour per direction. Total number of lines is 5. Total number of stations is 56. The total system length is 64.36 kilometers.